So you just got a Canon DSLR and out of the blue you heard of this thing known as Magic Lantern. And now you thought like this is a great thing. Let me flash it out and try it. Is it any good for my Canon camera? But wait, the main problem of using Magic Lantern is it voids your warranty. So should you even give a damn about flashing Magic Lantern on your Canon DSLR? Well, let me tell you the top 5 features of Magic Lantern which will definitely drag you towards flashing it. Hey, what's up guys, Bhushan here from Boy Geek Expert. With that being said, let's get started. So the number one feature on my list is undoubtedly focus peaking. What focus peaking essentially does is it adds boundaries or lines, if you will, on the object that is in focus. Each and every camera nowadays has focus peaking. Heck, even my Mi A1 has focus peaking. But Canon is Canon. So if you want everything in sharp focus without guessing that the object is in focus or not, focus peaking is for you. Next up on my list is crop marks. So if you're that person who likes to add those cinematic black bars on your videos and make it look a bit more cool, then this feature is a lifesaver for you. You can find this option in the Magic Lantern overlay settings. This is the 5th option from the top which reads crop marks. And once you click on it, you can select from 5 different crop marks images or 5 different crop marks option. The one which I use is the Cinescope crop mark. These are essentially those black bars which you add in post. So what this basically does is it helps you in framing your shot beforehand. So when you add those black bars in post production, your main subject won't be cropped. And trust me, it works pretty damn well. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to set custom ISO like 120, 320, 180 and so on, rather than setting the ISO to 100, 200, 400, 800 etc. Now here's when custom ISO comes into play. You can find this option in the exposures menu, and once you click on it, you can set custom ISO like 120, 180, 380, 360 and so on. You can also set custom shutter speed like 1/40th of a second, 1/50th of a second, 1/80th of a second and so on. This will definitely help you out to find the perfect exposure and also maintain the double shutter speed rule. Now if you love to click time lapses from your camera, but as Canon does not allow you to follow your love, the intervalometer feature is meant for you. It is located under the shoot menu, and once you click on it, you can set the time interval in which you want your pictures to be clicked. And the main benefit of clicking pictures over and video is that you have all the raw information about that particular image. That means that you can tweak the time lapse in any way you want. Now here's a quick time lapse that I shot with the intervalometer feature. I hope you like it. Now if you have been following this channel from quite a long time, you might have noticed some macro shots on this channel which I take of certain products. Well, those shots were not at all taken with a macro lens. All I used was the movie crop mode feature. You can find this feature under the movie option in the Magic Lantern menu. So what movie crop mode essentially does is it crops the image up to 3 times, and what this enables you to do is it helps you to take some macro shots of a product with a non-macro lens. And trust me, it works pretty damn well. So these are the top 5 features of Magic Lantern which I use regularly. And if you guys want me to make more videos related to Magic Lantern or let alone some camera stuff, hit me down in the comments because I really love to make this kind of videos. And I hope you guys will love watching them as well. With that being said, I'm your boy Geek Expert and I'm signing out.